Today is November 13th, I guess, or 14th, I don't know. I will insert here and whatever. Today is the day of my packages arrive. I have seven packages to arrive. I don't know how many of them will be arriving today, but I'm guessing 5. And the first one is here, and I guess this is one of the most important ones for me. I have a broken coffee machine, filtered coffee machine actually, and it has been broken for 2 weeks, and I was having coffee from outside. Ordering it for 2 weeks is expensive, and through the end of those stages I decided to purchase like some kind of an instant coffee to figure the day till I have this. And I tried the instant coffee for 2 days and it was enough for me. I cannot drink a fucking instant coffee. I don't think that shit is coffee, a real coffee. And I'm not also saying that I'm an expert on espresso, I'm a coffee enthusiast. No, I am not. I just simply enjoy the simple caffeine. And I also take my caffeine from matcha. But those 2 weeks I wanted to have coffee instead of matcha, which I have at home. So yeah, my brain was fighting with itself, I guess. I don't know. And I'm a mess, I know. I have a very oily hair right now, which in these 2 days ahead of us, I will be taking everything shower, cleaning my kitchen, doing some laundry, which I did the most part in the previous days. Proud of myself for that. I don't know, shall we go? What should I do? I cannot open this right now because if I open this right now it will take a space. I want to set it up in the kitchen in the first place, so we will keep this here and do the rest later. And in the meantime I'm hoping the other packages will be arriving. I bought essential things this month. Yes, I bought essential things. I bought underwear. Guess what? Even if I had like many underwears, they got lost at home. I don't know how. I mean, a few of them my dog too, but where are the rest? So I had to purchase new underwear. This happens to me like occasionally, every year, every 2 years, I don't know. I end up losing my underwear. I like to see greens and other colors in my omelette. I feel like it makes it more healthy and delicious. Also, just tell me who doesn't love a good buttery crispy bread. Just tell me who doesn't. Also, one of my favorite things on that bread is to spread some kind of a breakfast sauce, kind of a pepper, tomato paste mix kind of a sauce, and let it cook. And now it is time to assemble all the food. Again, cucumbers, tomatoes, those delicious breads next to my colorful omelette. I might look small, but when I eat, I can eat.
That's gonna be my mom, and it's gonna be all good because that's all that matters. Pretty long game plan. I am gonna start by having some breakfast, then I have a doctor's appointment.
And also, we have to add cheese. It is kind of a traditional Turkish local cheese type of. And dinner time. We are resting the quinoa in the cold water for 1 or 2 hours, and then we are placing it on the stove with cold water again and just let it be as if it is rice, but different kind of a rice. Broccoli is covered with olive oil and Italian herbs while we are watching my nails for some reason. And after broccolis are cooked middle way, we are adding our salmon and asparagus on the pan for 8 to 10 minutes. Soy sauce. This is kind of a pomegranate sauce, but it is soury, kinda. It is delicious. You should try. Mix, mix, mix. Hot sauce. This sauce is kind of like a umami sauce, but I don't know what is umami, but when I research about it, yes, and a little bit of a garlic paste. Yes. Quinoa on top of that are salmon with lemon and the sauce. Without the sauce, this meal is nothing. Thank you for being here, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye.